Hello, hello. My name is Gabrielle Reyes.
And I'm Ace Anderson.
And y'all know the world is wild and wacky and just crazy right now. We have a pandemic going on. We also are fighting for all rights of all beings currently going on right now. So in these crazy times, we just recognize that as humans, we are resilient and we all have the power to keep going.
Yeah.
We all have the power to keep going.
Hey, yeah, I like that.
We all have the power to keep growing.
Oh, we growing now too, hey.
We all have the power to keep glowing.
With a little bit
So
of
we
glow.
go, we grow, we glow.
Hey, yo, listen, yo. Now is your chance for true evolution. So listen to the facts that I'm introducing. If you really want to help with the revolution, reaching for your higher self is the best solution. Cause you are who you are, so you're never you-less. You have every right to be here and you'll never lose it. And the beauty of it is you never have to prove it. So if the haters biting at you, then you leave them toothless. With your brute skin, never using, straight and narrow towards the truth. And that's how you win. You always start off looking foolish when you try a new thing. But if you're breathing, then what's cool is that you're never losing. In conclusion, quit the snoozing, speak the truth in. Maybe you can start a movement. It's been proven as a human, you've been endowed with the power to keep it moving.
We all have the power to keep going.
Yeah.
We all have the power to keep growing.
Keep going, baby.
We all have the power to keep glowing.
Yeah.
So we go, we grow, we glow.
We glow.
Now is the chance for true evolution.
Okay.
Better wake up, ain't no time for snoozing. If you wanna do good for the revolution, reach for your higher self, yeah, you know it's true. Cause we have the power to keep going.
So sing it, babe.
We all have the power to keep growing.
Sing it one more time now.
We all have the power to keep glowing.
So what we do? What
So
we
we
do,
go, we grow, we glow.
We glow.
We all have the power.
Okay.
We all have the power.
Yeah. Say,
We all have the power. We all have the power.
Hey.
We all have the power. We all have the power. Power. We all have the power. We all have the power.
Hey.
We all have the power to keep going.
We all have the power now.
We all have the power to keep growing.
Keep growing tall and strong now.
We all have the power.